ingredients cost like $2-3 per bottle. What do you think? What kind of ingredients are in there? 4 toxic ingredients in your skincare and you don't even know. Why it is important? Because toxic skincare ingredients are basically not really much regulated in United States. I am myself from Europe. I'm from Lithuania, and 1,000 ingredients banned in skincare and beauty care industry. In Europe, European Union, they are very, very strict. Meanwhile, in the United States, those over 1,000 ingredients are allowed in the household, skincare, body care, any kind of care products, and you kind of, when you live in United States, you don't know, is this good, is this bad, is this toxic? Many of us read ingredients, but it's so much confusion. I want to talk today, guys, about 4 most dangerous, most toxic ingredients that actually affects our health, affects our endocrine system, affects the hormones, affects brain, affects our mood. It's actually linked to some sort of like disruption of your body, of your mental illness. And so I want to take you together. You and I go to one website where we can discuss actually 4 most toxic skincare ingredients. Now, I have posted this on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, JinAmberX. I post there a lot of information. I'm much more engaged in Instagram and TikTok. TikTok and Instagram, both handles are JinAmberX. Go there, follow me if you want to learn more. I'm not that often on YouTube, but right now I'm gonna go with you guys and gonna discuss, let's discuss together. Let's go there. EWG. So let's go to this website. Let's discuss together. One of the most important reasons why I do not use skincare products with those ingredients in it, because it sensitizes the skin. And here are the 6 signs that your skin is sensitive. Your skin is reactive. You notice redness. Your skin is dry. You develop rashes. Often you're prone to breakouts. You sunburn easily. So I want us both go to ewg.org, and I want us to go to the first toxic ingredients that I swear, and there is so much data behind that, is parabens, methyl, propyl, methyl. There is so many kind of like, for example, one of the most dangerous is propyl paraben. So anything that ends in paraben, propyl paraben, methyl paraben and stuff like this, all parabens are so toxic. So we go to ewg.org website and we, for example, enter paraben, and then you will see parabens there is a bunch of articles about parabens, propyl paraben, methyl paraben. What are parabens? Why don't they belong in cosmetics? There are like articles, blogs, they do studies. It's not just randomly, that I came up one day, I'm like, oh my god, parabens are bad. Okay, so let's go to propyl paraben. So on propyl paraben, we already see that number 9 is fair, is one of the worst. You see 1 is being really great, and 10 is the worst. Propyl paraben has a number 9, so the rating number is number 9. Restrictions, moderate. Endocrine disruption, very high. So paraben is very, very high in endocrine disruption, and ecotoxicology, some of that is low. Propyl paraben is a paraben family of preservatives used by the food, pharmaceutical, and personal care product industries. Parabens mimic estrogen and can act as a potential hormone endocrine system disruptors. Boo! I don't even know why companies use those. Like, really, I make my skincare brand ingredients myself, and I told chemists there is no paraben, there is never gonna be, never was, and I care not only about amazing skincare brand or smells good or does something, I care about the health. This is the most important thing that I do in my brand. So allergies, immunotoxicity, yes, it's moderate. Development and reproductive toxicity, yes. Use restrictions. So there's data, there's endocrine disruptors, allergies, restrictions, data gaps. There's a lot of information. So, okay, you want to avoid these 4 ingredients: parabens, fragrance, phthalates, and propylene glycol. All of those 4 ingredients are extremely dangerous. You can go yourself to EGW website, and you can actually, whatever you have in your house, for example, you have some products and you're not sure, there are ingredients and you're not sure what are those ingredients, go and research. So 4 most dangerous ingredients is parabens, all kind of parabens, right? Fragrance, perfumes, hides a lot of metals in that ingredient. Basically, that's really bad. Then propylene glycol and phthalates. You want to avoid these 4 ingredients. And I know there are a lot of estheticians and a lot of dermatologists and plastic surgeons saying that that's not true. I graduated esthetician school myself. I was working with a lot of clients over the years. I've been in skincare industry for 20 years, over 20 years, and I have done a lot of research, and I can tell you from my own experience working with all those kind of synthetic ingredients, like especially fragrance. Fragrance irritates the skin like crazy. If you have dry red skin, you burn easily, you have easily breakouts, your skin is kind of flaky. So here's the proof, guys, that I don't have makeup right now. Over here, look at this. I'm gonna show you that my skin is sensitive as well. This is how you know. You apply some wash, you wash your skin, right? Just let's do one cheek. And this is gentle, very gentle towel to remove. And look at this, for example, if your skin gets red, it kind of gets red. And if especially we do double cleansing, if your skin gets red, even when just with the most gentle, this is very gentle, this is so safe, this is from True Botanical, nourishing cleanser. Nothing can be like gentler than this. This is super gently milky cleanser. And if you have redness, when you washing your face, that means your skin is sensitive. Look at this. And if your skin gets red when you're washing your face, that means you have sensitive skin. And the reason you have a sensitive skin, because I guarantee you, you have in your skincare products that you've been using for years and years and years, you have one of those toxic ingredients: perfume fragrance, parabens, butylene glycol, and phthalates. If you have those in your skincare, do your research, guys. Throw away all those garbage like toxic ingredients and choose something more natural. So my brand, like Gin Amber Beauty, we have just natural organic ingredients, no synthetic fragrance, no synthetic anything. True Botanicals I really like. I like Juice Beauty, it's really great natural brand. I like Mad Hippie, one of the most affordable brands that you can find in Whole Foods is Mad Hippie. I'm actually gonna put down below in the description box all the natural skincare ingredients that I'm using that actually works, that does what it says. And stay away from drugstore. I'm just telling you, stay away from drugstore, because in the beginning of my business, I was making my skincare products in a very beginning in the drugstore kind of lab. They make very cheap ingredients. They just want to make money. You can make super affordable cheap cream, but stay away from drugstore, because drugstore use, as myself as the owner of skincare brand, because I know how the process, how the birth of the skincare product happen in the lab. The cheaper the product, I'm gonna tell you, the cheaper the product, the cheaper ingredients skincare company uses. So for example, if the cream costs $10, let's say maximum $20, let's say 50% of that is going to be a profit for the company, right? This is, let's say, as a business owner, I'm gonna tell you that around like from 20 to 50% of the price what you buy goes as a profit to the company. Another piece, marketing, salaries, payment, lab, ingredients, like packaging. What you pay left is just ingredients, which is gonna be left with maybe $3, $5. So that's not okay. That's not okay. Remember, when you buy this, company want to make money out of this. So whatever you pay is just less than half is actually what they pay for the ingredients. And if the ingredients cost like $2, $3 per bottle, what do you think? What kind of ingredients are in there? I rather have a one product, but good one. Be smart, choose wisely, and let me know down in comments below what's your favorite natural skincare company. I love you, stay gorgeous, and be healthy. Bye!